Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. In this video, we cover Advanced Report Studio, save reusable report templates on allowed models, and open them like normal Odoo actions: list, form, pivot, graph, kanban, calendar where supported. You get domains, JSON context, CSV/Excel/PDF exports, email, manual, test, or scheduled, and drills to other models without replacing your core apps. We'll cover settings, Advanced Report Studio for rollout control, the Advanced Report Studio app menu report templates, run drill, and configuration, including quick start presets and import templates, JSON, how to build a template, domain, view modes, pivot and graph, exports, PDF, email, drills with a field, placeholders, the optional Studio demo, catalog when extra modules are installed, and JSON import, export for staging and backups. From the main menu, open the Advanced Report Studio application. Users in the Advanced Report user group see report templates and run drill. Advanced Report managers also see configuration and can maintain presets, imports, and template definitions end-to-end. You still use your existing app sales, accounting, project, inventory, and so on for day-to-day work. Advanced Report Studio is the definition layer. One saved template can encode a domain, allowed view modes, pivot row and column group bys, graph measures, kanban grouping, export columns, PDF tabular layout, email recipients and schedule, and drill paths so teams open the same report window every time. Let's start with settings. Studio Demo ships model-wise, 61 catalog IR model XML IDs, 266 catalog report names, and 15 tutorial templates on 8 models, 281 definitions. Use Quick Start presets or JSON import to materialize them when the related Odoo apps are installed. Open Settings, then find the Advanced Report Studio block. Under General Settings, wording can vary slightly by Odoo version. Here, administrators maintain allowed models for report templates. Leave allowed models empty to permit any non-transient model on templates, maximum flexibility for pilots and consultants. Or add specific models to the whitelist. Then only those models may be selected on new templates, and Quick Start will skip presets for models that are not allowed, ideal for phased rollouts and tighter governance. Use Open Quick Start presets from the same settings area when you want to jump straight to preset maintenance without opening the app menu first. When you save, template authors only see models your policy allows, so you don't expose sensitive objects on day one. Now open Advanced Report Studio, Report Templates. This list is your catalog of report templates. Open or create a template and choose a model, for example, contacts, sales orders, tasks, or journal entries respecting your whitelist when it is configured. On the template form, configure the domain using the domain editor. Domains are evaluated safely. You can use rolling dates with standard helpers such as datetime and detoodle in expressions where the module allows it, useful for this month, last 30 days, or similar filters without hard-coding dates. Set view modes, typically tree and form, plus pivot, graph, or kanban when you want analytics or board-style views. Where the model supports it, you can include calendar as well. For pivot and graph, define row and column group bys and measures on stored fields so Odoo can aggregate predictably. For kanban, set a default group by when that view mode is in use. Optional JSON action context lets you pass context keys Odoo actions understand, for example, default filters or display options, as long as the JSON is valid and fits your use case. Next, exports. Define export column lines for CSV, Excel, and PDF. On run, the server builds each file using your column list, the same domain, and the same row cap. Excel export relies on the XLSX Python library on the server. Ensure your deployment satisfies the manifest's external dependency, so XLSX works in production. PDF uses a dedicated QWeb report. Your company and export timestamp appear in the header. Each report section has a title band and metadata, model and record count, then a table matching the export columns. Like other Odoo PDFs, generation expects a supported tumletop setup on the server. Use row caps, where offered so large tables don't overwhelm memory, or download time tune for controllers and operations teams. Email report requires the mail app as a module dependency on the template form. Pick attachment format PDF, Excel, or CSV and set recipients, contacts with email and/or extra addresses, optional subject and body. Use send test email to deliver only to your user, ideal for smoke testing SMTP and layout without notifying the full list. Use send by email from the header to mail all configured recipients. Turn on automatic email and choose daily, weekly, or monthly. A scheduled action runs periodically and sends when the interval has elapsed, recording last automatic email. Ensure company email or your mail server is configured so outgoing messages have a valid from address. Now drills. Under drill definitions, link this template's rows to another model. Set a target model and a domain template that can include a field_name, tokens. At runtime, Odoo substitutes values from the active row. For example, open order lines from a sales order so users move from summary to detail without hand-building domains each time. Open Advanced Report Studio, run drill when you want a dedicated entry point to execute drill actions, depending on how your implementation exposes runner actions. JSON import and export. Managers use full-definition JSON to copy templates between databases, version definitions in Git, or restore after upgrades. Under configuration, import templates, JSON. Walk through the wizard your build provides. Export paths are typically available from the template form or Exchange views. Follow import/export actions your screen shows. Quick Start Presets live under Advanced Report Studio. Configurations, Quick Start Presets. Each row suggests a model, default domain, and view mode. Use Create Report on a line to materialize a real template when the model is installed. Presets are on demand, not silent clutter at install. When optional enterprise or community apps are present, rows backed by the Studio Demo catalog can create rich demo layouts, pivots, columns, drills in one click. Filter presets by Studio Catalog or has template to see what's already been generated. Optional demo data in training databases, where your build ships it, can pre-create partners or sample templates so dashboards and videos and pilots look populated immediately. Security. Only users in the correct advanced report groups see menus and can create or run sensitive templates. Align groups with who may define domains that touch personal or financial data. That's Advanced Report Studio. Reusable report templates with safe domains and optional rolling dates, pivot, graph, and kanban where appropriate, CSV, XLSX, and PDF exports with XLSX and standard PDF rendering, email, manual, test, and scheduled, on top of Odoo Mail, JSON portability, drills with a field, placeholders, quick start presets, and optional Studio Demo. Catalog entries when underlying apps are installed, plus settings, Advanced Report Studio for allowed models maintained. Across Odoo 14 through 19, with persisted data under the Advanced Report namespace so it stays separate from core report models. Thank you for watching. For more information, or to schedule a live demo, visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.